Namaste, Ram Ramji. Today we are going to Haryana. हरियाणा के मूर्छों में वहाँ पर हमें पता लगा है very good parathas, so we'll try out parathas today. Yeah, so let's get going. This place called Sukhdev. Let's see what we have here. They tell me it's one of the best dhabas here in Murthul. Is it so? जय श्री राम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? बहुत ही बेहतरीन होंगे जैसे कि मैं हूँ। मेरे में थोड़ी सी फॉल्ट आ रखा है और बेहतरीन में फिर भी हूँ। अब क्योंकि अपनी बातचीत अलग है। वैसे एक चीज़ मैंने रियलाइज़ करी है यार कि मैं हिंदी और हरियाणवी को तो मिक्स कर लेता हूँ, पर मेरी इंग्लिश कहीं ना कहीं चोट खा रही है। तो इसलिए आज मैंने डिसाइड करा है जस्ट टू प्रैक्टिस इट, क्योंकि यार बहुत दिन हो गए इंग्लिश बोलने वाला भी मिलता ही नहीं, तो यूज़ ही नहीं होती। और जो बोलते हुए तो मैं हिंदी बोल के चुप करा देता हूँ। तो आज मैं पूरा व्लॉग इंग्लिश में करूँगा कि नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता। को कोई अंग्रेज टकरा गया, कोई अंग्रेजन टकरा गई, तो इंग्लिश तो बोलने में कन्वर्सेशन करने में कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं आनी चाहिए ना। वो नर्वस हो जाए यार, आप ही से हैं। सो टुडेज व्लॉग will be in English, and that might be some tutti frutti English and some amazing English, because I scored 95 in English and my leg hurts, and that 5 marks that I couldn't score, yeah, you'll see it today why I couldn't score that 5 marks. So let's begin. So first thing first, there is a foda on my leg.
Huh? Jesus! Huh?
Right on the joint, which is hurting really bad. What do we call it in English? I don't know. In Hindi we call it baal tod. पर मैंने कोई sorry, 5 rupees. I did not pluck any hair out of it, so I don't know. And it's hurting really bad. So yes, mom, what do we have for breakfast today? So we will be talking in English today, just for the vlog, okay?
I can't talk English.
But you understand English, right?
Yes.
Then it's fine, mom. I also don't speak in English. You speak tutti frutti, I speak tutti frutti, and it will be tutti frutti.
I can speak in English.
Can you eat in English?
I can eat in English.
I can sit in English.
I can talk in English. I can walk in English.
How do you walk in English, mom?
Because English is a funny language.
Okay.
अरे बाबूजी ऐसी इंग्लिश आवे दैट आई कैन लीव अंग्रेज बिहाइंड यू सी सर आई कैन टॉक इंग्लिश आई कैन वॉक इंग्लिश आई कैन लाफ इंग्लिश बिकॉज इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी फनी लैंग्वेज
So we are up for the challenge and we will be doing it today. So we'll be having mango shake first. Yeah, that's it for today. Our mango shake is ready. Not for today. That's it for now. Only English. Extra bunning. As you can see, it's way too much. Still we'll have it. See you in a while. It's time for breakfast now, the real breakfast. What do we have for breakfast? Oh shit, poha. I don't like poha, man. I hate it. Why, mom? Why? My leg is hurting really bad. Oh, and now I have to eat poha. I really feel like someone who is very ill eating poha and only functioning on one leg. See, this is what I was talking about. One leg. So yeah, I'll have some poha. I have to eat it.
हम तो चटोरे सब चाट जाएंगे
Let's do some work now. My leg is hurting very bad. Oh, I should correct myself. My leg is hurting really bad. Yeah. I can't like walk or even stand straight once I sit because it hurts really bad. So I have to like stand up and like wait for the pain to go away for at least 2 minutes and then start walking. Then it hurts. So yeah, I am one leg wonder for a few days now. Such is life. Let's embrace it and let's start working. Now I just calling my laptop and then I will do work and then work, not work. Yeah, work. Yeah. See you in a while. I can't show you what I'm doing. So yeah, it's raining outside. Before it started raining, it was like attack, boom, 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 attack. That's how the sound it made, and it started raining. For once, I thought it's Manali and Badalkot Hut. So yeah. Okay. I slept for straight 2 hours. You know it happens whenever I try to study. I just feel sleepy, super sleepy, and I sleep. Meanwhile, my mom made lunch. What do we have for lunch, mommy?
घिया की सब्जी.
What is ghee in English?
घिया in English. Bottle gourd.
What?
Bottle gourd.
Really? We are having what we call in bottle guard or something for lunch. So I know I have a better pronunciation for it. We are having घिया की सब्जी and roti. इतने भी अंग्रेज ना पढ़ना. Yeah, so we'll just have it and we'll continue on the vlog. Or I have another way of telling it in English. I guess they used to do it in Lagan. It's घिया की सब्जी. And we are having kira and hari chutney with that. So yeah, it's going to be amazing. And this is it. And now we are having it.
अबे साले जब
It's Tuesday today, guys. Let's go offer prayers to Hanumanji. I'll be back in a few minutes and then we'll continue on the vlog. I am speaking so slowly because mom is sleeping, and if she would wake up because of my voice, she would thrash me with a chapel. Yeah. Or maybe she won't give me food today. I don't know. I'll be back in a minute. Keep waiting for me. And boom, I'm back from the temple. And now I'll make some tea from my mom. And I have a couple of things to do. I'll do that. And why I'm speaking in this accent, I don't know. So, but I'm speaking in it, and I really don't know why. I don't know from where I get all these accents. I guess watching a lot of English movies. Maybe. You never know. Yeah, so let's just continue making some tea for my mom. Yeah, she cooks all day. At least I can make some tea for her. And this is प्याज का परांठा in making. प्याज cutting, and परांठा बनिंग. I'm running out of English. This is tea, which I am not drinking because no to tea, and my leg is hurting. That is why I'm speaking like this. Oh no! For today's vlog, बस घनी अंग्रेजी होगी ना और ना बोलता. ये क्या है कोई बड़ा समझ लेगा बना. Thank you for watching. And subscribe, like and share and comment. यार मेरे 1000 फॉलोवर्स होने वाले हैं, सब्सक्राइबर्स होने वाले हैं, so please subscribe, help me reach this milestone quick. See ya.